We're in the Courtyard by Marriott in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, Hershey location. And these may look like ordinary OTIS Series 5s, but wait until you see what's on the inside. This endangered species. Not sure when this was installed. This one. In case of emergency, do not use the elevator. That's right, Series 6. Here we go. This is a hydro. Here you have one. Go up to 4. Going up?
Yep.
Which floor?
4, please.
Same as me.
Thank you.
These are rare fixtures.
What, the numbers?
No, these buns are rare. Nice motor.
That's because I think it's new. We'll see how long it lasts, though. I think they just built this one. Looks pretty new.
Nice cabs.
Yeah.
You have a good day.
You do the same.
There you go.
Thank you.
You have a nice day.
You do the same.
Head back down the street. Very nice people here. They're very nice. Beautiful elevators. Look in the ceiling. Who do you see? Hi. Series 6 fixtures. Hands-free ADA code compliant phone. 3,000-pound capacity or 18 people. Send this one up. So let's send this one up. There's the ice and vending machine. Storage right here. And we are going on a little road trip here to Hershey. Just finished the road trip portion. Series 5. I love those egg lanterns. There's the emergency light. Is this one running today? While we do... Nope, this one's broken. Oh well, we can take the other ride on this. It's okay, we'll go. Head back down to 1. Let's watch the button go out now. Other one just headed up. I think these are from 2004 or 2005. I love the reflective ceiling. Going up?
Yes.
Which floor?
4.
4?
Yep.
Let's head back up to 3.
There you go.
This, it's an OTIS.
Yeah.
Nice, it's got a reflective ceiling.
Yeah, definitely. It's a reflective ceiling. I didn't even notice that.
A copy of the elevator inspection permits located in the general manager's office.
Yep.
You have a nice day.
You too. Good night, too.
You too. There goes Ann, that's it.